So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm an idiot, so I deleted the intro, but here's me cutting my hair. I followed Brand Mundo's tutorial, and up to the point where the video starts, all I did was part it into 4 sections, you know, next to your shoulder, smooth, make sure they were all level, and then I started cutting the first bit. And now you're up to date, great! I really don't know how I managed to cut it in such a little stump just by doing this. That's the first one. Why have I done this? Oh. Okay, so his is a bit more flat, so I'm gonna see if I can make mine a bit more flat. Okay, so we're done with the first one. The other front, and then I need to... I really don't know how to do this easily. Okay, I'm like belly in frame now, so let me just... Whoop. Okay, it's a tiny bit longer still. So I'm just gonna start doing this. My hand is cramping. I'm halfway.
Do you want a hand, or are you okay?
I'm okay. I think because now that they're in the elastics, I can move them about.
Alright, okay.
But I think I can pull it off.
Good.
Hopefully.
Excellent.
And do you know what? If I don't like it, I can just tie it up until it grows back, and nobody's gonna see me anyway. Okay, I'm gonna take the comb again because I don't know if I'm cutting them to the same length exactly. I think this one needs to go a little tiny bit shorter. Okay, we're going with this. And now I'm gonna do the back. I feel like the back sections are hard, so I'm gonna put the front one like behind, like this. Okay, I like low-key kind of can't see. Okay, so I've gone straight again to start with, which he said not to do. Don't cut straight, but then I'm point cutting it afterwards because I just got very thick hair, so it was too hard to point cutting all out. I kind of feel like I'm getting the hang of this. Should I become a hairdresser? No, this isn't how hairdressers cut hair, is it? I keep getting hair up my nose. Ow. I just ripped a tiny bit out. Okay, I'm trying to make this more even because this isn't very even. Like, it's kind of, it's slightly slopey. Okay, now I'm using the elastics to comb hair. If they're the same length. Oh my god, they're the same length. Yay! I can't believe I've done this. Who do I think I am? Oh my god. I feel like this could low-key be really good. It's either going to be really good or really bad, that's for sure. I'm not feeling as much regret as I thought I would though, so it's fine. Most of the hair is not in the bag though. Well, most of it is, but not all of it. Whoops. Okay, let's go for about here and just sort of... I kind of want to record some of this on my phone because this would make a really good TikTok. Okay, so normally I only get my hair cut every 6 months. So December, January, February, March, April, May, June. It's April now, so I basically would have needed a haircut in this lockdown anyway. I got it cut just before summer, so... Wait, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, so I wasn't really ready for one yet. Not gonna lie, this has taken quite a while. But like going to the hairdressers anyway does, so like, that's okay. I think part of this sort of getting rid of my hairness is that I hold too much of my self-value on my hair. I'm pretty because I have nice hair, and it's like there's more to self-love than just your hair. Oh geez, so cringy, but like so true. I'm just going straight up now. I have basically had long hair all my life. I had it short in like a bob all of primary school because like, actually probably only key stage 1, which is from basically from when you're born. But since I was little, up until about, how old are you when you leave year 3? No, year 2 even. I thought you're about 6, I think. So up until I was about 6, I had my hair really short, and then my mum stopped telling the hairdresser how to cut it and I got it cut my own way. So then I got it long, and it's kind of just been long ever since. I think I cut it shorter in year 6, but that was like to here, And I feel like this is a really awkward height when it grows that length. I don't know, so if your hair's that long, I just find that really awkward length for me. This one's a lot longer in the middle than the other ones. I don't know what's going on. Oh, I got hair in my toothbrush. Why did I not think to move it? I think a little bit more needs to come off. Tiny bit. Oh my god. Okay, compare all the lengths. Oh god, I did a bit much. No, this one's a little bit short. Okay, this one was just too long anyway. This one is a smidge long. Okay, so I've found it's easier if you use the very end of the scissors. I don't know why you would not be using that, but I wasn't because I'm an idiot, so. Okay, comparing all the different lengths again. Yep. Okay, I think we're good, so let me double check. But I'm pretty sure all I have to do now is take it out. Okay, these were definitely real hair cutting scissors then if you can't cut through it normally because it's too thick. I'm taking out the bubbles. Oh my god, why? I kind of love it. I kind of love it. Oh my god, it looks so much better than I thought it would. Oh my god, it is really short though. Oh my gosh, it used to be here. It used to be here, that's where it was. Okay, but I like really love it. Okay, so now I'm getting rid of this slight bit where it goes ever so slightly downhill. It's actually really hard to see, I'm not gonna lie. Am I even cutting my hair? No, I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna do it a bit like this just because it's hard. To see what I'm actually cutting. Okay, yeah. And now the other side. I think it's pretty flat, to be honest. I think maybe it doesn't match perfectly on this like joint bit, but okay, let me see. I did that better than the other side. I like really love it. Okay, if you see here, this doesn't quite match up, so all I'm gonna do is hold it like that and then sort of blend them together. We really are DIYing our way through this, 100%. Just like a tiny bit, because I know this isn't where it sits, so I'm just taking a tiny bit off. And then I'm gonna look. I think I fixed it, let me check. Mirror like this. Yeah, that's fine. I don't want the end to be too perfect, so like, this is what we're going with. Honestly, I wear it up quite a lot, I feel, but this is cute. Let me just check that I can still tie it all up. Okay, it all still fits in a ponytail, we're good. Oh my god, I love it. I feel like it's not fully straight at the back. It definitely isn't, but like, when is your hair just sat still? Just like this. Like, that doesn't really happen. Okay, quite a bit of my hair didn't go in the back. Yeah, I think I missed quite a bit. But like, she's really cute. I'm vibing with this so hard, and I really didn't think I would. The key is though, every time you cut a bit of hair, breathe out through your nose, because I kept like inhaling it.
Let's have a look. Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes, very neat.
Thank you.
Good.
Are you proud of me or am I a disappointment now?
No, I'm very proud of you.
Aw, thank you. Hi Coco.
She's cut about 6 inches.
What do you
long.
think of my hair? What do you think of my hair?
Wow, it looks amazing.
That's so fake because I already came in.
I think I might need to help you just even it up a little
Yeah,
bit.
it's not too bad though.
It's not too bad at all. I like the length. Right, let me see it swing around. Yeah, it's fine.
Oh,
Yeah,
thanks.
okay.
if you want to see more stuff like this, it might not be quite this insane, then be sure to subscribe, like and comment, whatever you want. I feel like all my friends are gonna murder me, be like, why did you do this? I'll be like, I got bored. Okay, I think when the hairdressers reopen, eventually, I will need to get my hair cut again, but it grows quite fast, so I think that this will get blended quite quickly. Okay, so yes, be sure to like and subscribe if you liked it, and if you want to be notified every time I upload, hit the bell and be sure to follow me on all my social medias, links in the description. Love you guys, bye!